EPCB boilers have brought unprecedented energy solutions to textile mills in Bangladesh. Each boiler has undergone strict quality control and professional on-site installation and commissioning to ensure its safety and stability. EPCB Boiler makes production safer, more stable and more efficient. It's not just a boiler, it's a complete system. Adopt high-quality and low-cost advanced electronic control system to provide stability and guarantee for every second operation of the boiler. Adopt three-way structure, and arrange the interval of the smoke pipes reasonably to improve the boiler thermal efficiency. Our waste-fired cloth fixed-grade boilers recycle the value of every thread of cloth, which is environmentally friendly and economical. The fixed-grade design allows us to efficiently recycle and use waste cloth, optimize fuel usage, and realize resource recycling. EPCB Boiler Economizer is compact in structure and well-made, which can ensure the maximum utilization of heat energy, significantly reduce fuel consumption, improve efficiency and save costs. Equipped with bag dust collector and flame arrestor, it can effectively desulfurize and remove nitrogen and reduce the content of nitrogen and sulfur oxides in the exhaust gas, ensure that emissions meet environmental standards. Equipped with fans with appropriate air volume to meet the complete combustion of fuel and reduce flue gas emissions. Adopt high-quality steel and equipped with corrosion-resistant layers to greatly extend the service life. Efficient fan and chimney design for perfect combustion and heat transfer. EPCB Boiler will continue to lead the industry standard and provide continuous, safe and efficient energy support for global industries.